In order for your LG dryer to perform at its best, please follow these regular maintenance guidelines to ensure a long life from your unit for years to come. It's important to clean out the lint filter after every load. This can be done easily by lifting out the filter and cleaning by hand or with a vacuum. If it needs to be cleaned thoroughly, water can be used. Make sure to dry the filter completely before reinserting back into place. Get your dryer ducts cleaned annually to help maximize your dryer's performance. Check for lint buildup on the moisture sensor located behind the lint filter and wipe often with a dry rag. Look for and clean any lint buildup on the door gaskets. After utilizing your steam cycle feature on your LG dryer, you might notice some moisture buildup and condensation in the drum. Please dry the cavity thoroughly with a soft towel to prevent possible buildup. It is also recommended to put at least 3 articles of clothing in your dryer when using the steam cycle feature to effectively dry your garments. With proper care and regular maintenance, your LG dryer is built to last. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.